I'm not going back to Haiti.
One of those threats is this illegal alien from Haiti.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Big Voice Radio in the building. Yo, today we are going to talk about the mass deportation where take place in the US, in America. Yo, me I watch it, bridging, and it look good. But anyway, stay tuned, listen to the intro, and we'll get back. Boom.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Threats to our community.
I'm not going back to Haiti.
One of those threats is this illegal alien from Haiti. ICE says he's a gang member with 17 criminal convictions in recent years.
So, you feel me? Yo, Biden forever, bro. Thank Obama for everything that he did for me, bro.
ICE Boston quickly takes down its next targets, including this illegal alien from Brazil who has an Interpol red notice for armed robbery. This Salvadoran illegal alien charged locally with rape and released by a sanctuary jurisdiction.
Señor, ¿cómo se llama?
And this Dominican illegal alien charged with assault with a deadly weapon and heroin trafficking. Officers also arrested this Guatemalan MS-13 gang member facing gun charges. ICE says he was released from local custody just the day before. Their detainer request was ignored because of sanctuary policies. And in a sign of shifting priorities with the new Trump administration, this man, who was in the same apartment as the target, was also arrested after ICE determined he's also in the U.S. illegally. This is what ICE calls collateral.
So you guys got your main target just now, but you got somebody else. What just happened?
So our main target was released by a sanctuary.
Alright, so welcome back. Yo, may I tell you, this deportation issue, it is very, very serious. And once you're illegal, you're not safe. May I tell you, say, yo, yesterday, or may I say like the first 24 hours, the man them capture and detain almost 600 illegal migrants. Almost 600, 538 to be exact. And them said that's just the beginning. So, me not gonna talk too long. Me I go play the clip them so you can watch them and see what I go on. But what me I say to everybody who in the States illegally, especially Jamaicans, be careful, because right now it's serious. It's serious and nothing can save nobody. Them say a criminal illegal immigrant, them a look for. But them a look for everybody. That's the trick. Anybody with them wall and you don't have no paperwork, you don't have nothing for day in the States, you get deported.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Sad to say, but that's the case. So right now, boy, me I tell you, master, it don't look good. It don't look good.
I'm not going back to Haiti.
One of those threats is this illegal alien from Haiti.
But at the end of the day, we don't have to do, sort out on yourself, because them are go in areas and places, them don't even have a search warrant. Them can go in any building, any business place without a search warrant. And them can do them job and capture anybody illegally. That is illegally there. You know, if them no want no search warrant. Anybody where them catch on the road, in a them house, anyway at all, them can send you out. Why? It no look good. Me Jamaican them, be careful. And especially the one them were just gone up it's bad for them because them just gone up. But the one them what did there for 5, 10, 15, 20 years. And you don't sort out on yourself. You don't have to go blame on yourself and you don't have to do what you don't have to do. I tell you that, you know. But I'm going to play the clip them, so now watch it and make me know what you think. Alright, Big Vice, stay tuned.
Developments on immigration just days after President Trump declared an emergency at the southern border. A military buildup underway. The first of some 1,500 active duty troops have arrived. Marines from Camp Pendleton arriving with heavy equipment and Osprey aircraft. And for the first time, military planes are making deportation flights. This C-17 at Fort Bliss, Texas. Migrants in restraint seen boarding a flight to Guatemala. A new image from inside another flight taking off from Tucson, Arizona. Meantime, the administration saying that arrests are ramping up. More than 500 undocumented migrants arrested in multiple cities over the last 24 hours. And tonight, the president's new border czar, Tom Homan, saying this is only the beginning. ABC's chief global affairs correspondent Martha Raddatz leads us off tonight.
Tonight, for the first time, U.S. military aircraft flying undocumented migrants out of the country as President Donald Trump launches his deportation campaign. The White House releasing these pictures, dozens of migrants in chains boarding C-17 aircraft. The flights landing in Guatemala carrying roughly 160 people, men and women.
Deportation's going very well.
Today, the Trump administration's new border czar, Tom Homan, telling me it's only the beginning.
Is that going to be a constant commitment from the U.S. military every single day to take deportees out?
Yes.
This as the military buildup on the border escalates. 1,500 active duty personnel, Army and Marines deploying. Their mission to support enhanced detection and monitoring efforts and repair and replace physical barriers. ABC's Matt Rivers on the ground in San Diego.
So right now these Marines are offloading concertina wire. They're going to bring it right down to the border to reinforce it. It's clearly meant to be a deterrent against future migration. And these kinds of supply flights, we might see a lot more of them over the coming months.
Far from the border, ICE raids and arrests in cities across the country in the days since the president was sworn in, some of them likely long planned, but a clear sign of what's to come. Boston, New York, and Newark, New Jersey. Newark's mayor saying agents raided a small business without a warrant, detaining American citizens in the process.
People were fingerprinted. Pictures of their IDs and face were taken there. When I got this information, I was appalled.
The Trump administration releasing numbers showing 538 arrests over the past 24 hours. The White House saying they're initially targeting undocumented immigrants who have committed violent crimes. But Homan acknowledges not everyone swept up in the raids fits that profile. And he has a stark warning to anyone who's in the country illegally.
So is this what we will see every single day, ending in what the president has promised is millions and millions being deported?
Yes, but you're going to see the number steadily increase, the number of arrests nationwide as we open up the aperture. Right now it's concentrating public safety threats, national security threats. That's a smaller population.
So after you do that, then you go after everybody who is there illegally.
If you're in the country illegally, you're on the table because it's not okay to, violate laws of this country. So if you're in the country illegally, you got a problem. And that's why I'm hoping those who are in the country illegally who have not been ordered removed by the federal judge should leave.
Homan was very clear that those committing violent crimes will be deported first and acknowledges that the show of force, these strong warnings to all undocumented immigrants, are meant to send a message that they should self-deport, since it would take a very long time and massive amounts of manpower and money to deport.
All right, so welcome back. We're going to watch the clip them and everything. So, we are going to ride and whistle now. We are gonna ride and whistle. Yo, it's serious. It's serious. Remember me telling you that. Me I watch the news, yo, and me I tell you say, wow, Well, you don't watch the clip. You don't supposed to see what I go on and see say I'm not joke thing. They are serious. And at one point the man them say we don't even need a search warrant. And them not care if the leaders like the mayors and the governors or whatever, them not care if them approve for ICE come in at them vicinity or them state or whatever. Them don't care. Them still are coming there. Them are coming at your house. Them are coming when you buy food. Wherever you're there. You could have in your bedroom with your woman and do big people things. Them are come for you. Remember me tell you. So right now, not a good look. Not a good look for the illegal people them. So me I want me fellow Jamaicans them, yo, gonna stay put and don't take this thing lightly. Because as far as how me see what I want, you know have to be illegal with criminal records. If you just not have no paperworks, if you're a law-abiding citizen, once you're illegally in the States, once them hold you go back home. Them whole Asian brother, them say must have 17 charge for him. And when they hold him, the first thing him say,
I'm not going back to Haiti.
One of those threats is this illegal alien from Haiti.
F Trump. And him big up Obama and Joe Biden. So you see them thing there? I gonna make it even worse for illegal people. Because now this is a man with criminal record. And him literally has say F Trump. And big up Biden and Obama. Make it look like say Biden and Obama uphold with him wrongdoing. That are gonna make it worse for illegal and documented people. Worse. And they don't understand say they want to make it worse, yo. It is so selfish. But my Jamaican people them we all wanna work hard, wanna take care of yourself, because I know enough Jamaican. But me know say you have family them man they say. Family them woman they say. Work hard, no criminal record, no nothing. You no need to do nothing and sort out on yourself. Remember me tell you no. Jano, it rough though, rough. But anyway, me there work. I'll clock in and one do what me need to do. See it? So big up on yourself, big voice, one love.